isang mabilisang paapial sa major home renovation requirements dito sa Lancaster, New City. So number 1 is accomplished application form na galing sa CICD. Number 2 is yung LIHOA ID na mag-generate natin sa bayani.in. Valid IDs ng homeowner at ng representative if applicable. Number 3 is authority to move in, issued upon turnover ng bahay nyo. Number 4, HOA dues clearance. Ito yung updated na resibo na galing sa Aqualink. Number 5 is yung barangay permit to construct. Number 6, resibo ng construction fund, 16K para sa Alice unit kasama ng processing fee na galing sa Poor Friends. Number 7, contract to sell, issued upon turnover ng bahay ninyo. Number 8, certificate of occupancy. Usually kasama siya nung binigay sa iyo yung blueprint at yung susi ng bahay ninyo. Number 9, authorization letter if representative or contractor yung nagpa-process ng permit. Number 10 is yung fencing or building permit from the LGU of General Trias or IBUS. Number 11, list ng materials na galing sa architect or sa contractor nyo. Number 12, if nagpa-contractor ka, needed nila ng barangay permit. Number 13, IDs ng mga construction worker nyo. And lastly, number 14, approved plan with CICD stamp na isasend na lang nila through email. So abangan ang aking next vlog about bayani.com website walkthrough. Again, thank you. Goodbye.